Ay, ano ba yun? Tumatawag si Ryan. Wait lang, guys. Punta kami sa buffet. Pero punta muna namin si Daddy. Morning, everyone. It's today is Sunday. It's 7:27. Morning, B.
Morning.
Alright, 7:27 na. Gutom na ako. Si Daddy din gutom na. Nandun siya sa kabilang room. Yeah. So, we're going and we're gonna eat. No, dali. Record naman si Tita Ying.
Breakfast na naman here at Quest Hotel. Of course, breakfast buffet is the best. Okay. Goes in malunggay bread.
Hindi only remix. Ay, mga remix na yun eh.
Dinner time. Lola.
Ganyan, chitit, kutsara. Tinidor. Kunin mo, kumuha ka na lang.
mo, pare. Sinitor ko ya. Ito na yung ano ko, pinandot ko sa. Ay, parang ano din, malapit.
One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, Mom.
Kira hangin man okay ra. At least kabalo mo asa man.
Kumaan sa gilid, lakaw. Yung bridge na yan. Oo, ganun ma'am. Lakaw po sa gilid. Hindi ako makaspet. Hanggang dito. Ang haba naman. Tapos,
Tingnan nyo sa left side nyo, yung pinakamataas na ilaw, doon tayo kagabi. Yung tabs. Yun yung may ilaw na pinakamataas doon, yun yung tabs.
oh, okay.
Oh, yun yun.
Yan o, pumasok ka na. Tapos ito, gilid na to, lakaran lang.
Oh, pwede na yung bike te.
Bike at saka mag-hike.
Walking.
Jogging.
Jogging.
No thanks.
Ayaw ko dito mag-exercise kasi walang 7-Eleven.
Walang
7-Eleven. Dapat mag-exercise sa 7-Eleven.
Okay lang kung may 7-Eleven dito na area, tapos doon naman may
Dapat,
7-Eleven.
tapos yung mga telephone mo dira in case of na mo kuya pang
Para yung mga emergency.
tawag ka.
Laganin mo na.
Ano, lahat ng milihan ba? Ako mas magawin mga lingaw. Kaya naman ko mas may taga Ajoya sa
Balik,
division.
nalakaw sa ko.
Wala, naman sa kanan gatang dito, nahan, pero ba? Sa kanan sa akong kauban, sad.
How long did it take to do one?
2 hours ka pin. Nga, landang sa gato, may in.
Yan. Oo.
Morning guys, it's currently 6:40. Medyo nagising ako kasi nabasa ko yung basa sa hotel. Nakakainis. Titimplahan ko dapat si Ryan ng coffee. But how stupid of I am. Inangat ko yung coffee, this coffee tray. Tapos, nandito yung mga baso. So, nung inangat ko, hindi ko binaba yung mga baso. So, yung isa nalaglag. And, yeah, nabasag. But, yeah, okay lang mo. Nagising talaga ako doon. That was like around 6, mga 5:40, ganun. Nagising ako. Anyways, yeah. That's my morning. Ayan. So, it's our last full day in Cebu. Masaya. Sobrang nag-enjoy si Ryan. That's a good thing. And, sobrang nakakabitin. Gusto ko pa sanang humirit ng a few days to stay, but there's a lot of things to do in Manila kasi we're gonna fix our apartment. We're gonna need to buy new stuff para sa aming mag-asawa. And you know what, sobrang ang daming realization nung mag-asawa na kami. And I just wanted to tell you guys kasi wala si Ryan, umalis sila, pumunta sila sa Tabuan. Tabuan is a place in Cebu where doon nabibili yung mga dried goods like dried mangoes, dried fish, yung mga talagang pinapadala from Cebu to Manila. Sobrang dami kong realization. Like for example nga, yung nabasag tong isang tasang to. Normally kasi, when you're a couple, you would, tendency niyan, pag kunyan hindi pa kayo married, ganyan, nabasag, one of you guys will be annoyed. Pero yung nangyari kaninang umaga, parang, sobrang na-touch ako kasi si Ryan, hindi mainit yung ulo niya, hindi siya, parang okay lang sa kanya. Okay lang yan. At least hindi ka na pano, gano'n. Hindi ka na sugatan dahil sa mga bubog and stuff. Ganun siya. Pero before, grabe. So, siguro pag gano'n, magkakainisan na kami, magkakapikunan. It's something na you get, I mean, I know it's just like a tiny thing, pero parang ang ganda kasing sa pakiramdam na, ganito pala yung perks of being married and stuff. I don't know, baka kasi dahil nasa honeymoon stage pa kami. Honeymoon? Parang but yeah. Bitin talaga. Kaya hindi na ako sumama sa tabuan kasi sabi ko, sige na, nakapunta na ako dyan. Ikaw na lang. Sige na, para ma-enjoy mo, masulit mo. That's it. I think that's it. It's actually today talaga yung birthday nung tita ko. Like, officially. Her birthday is November 25. But she wanted to spend it on a weekend, which is a Saturday kasi considering the relatives that we have here, syempre mas okay sila ng weekend. So, siya yung nag-adjust, sobrang considerate talaga ng tita ko. Ano pa ba? What else? That's it. Yeah, it's our last day. Siguro, normally kasi guys, diba, pag nag-room tour ka, dapat simula pa lang ng pagdating. But, sobrang pagod namin with our first day na we had to like, lay down agad and then sleep for a few minutes before the party started last Saturday. Yun. Kaya, sana nag-enjoy si Ryan. He was shocked na parang Cebu is a big city talaga na kulang talaga ang isang araw. But, syempre, it's not gonna be our last day here in Cebu. I know there's a lot of, mapag-iipunan ulit and we're gonna go back and take advantage of all the tourist attraction here in Cebu. If you guys want, my cousin Anne-Marie Sanchez and Michael Sanchez has like a tour company thing for all of you guys that are planning to go here in Cebu. I'm gonna leave the link and the contact numbers that you guys can contact them para mag-tour kayo here sa Cebu. Sobrang affordable, sobrang saya. And the good thing about the company is that Kuya Michael and Ate Ann are the ones specifically na parang sila talaga yung nag-choose ng each tourist spot para ma-enjoy yung mga pupunta dito sa Cebu. So guys, if you want to check it out, please go ahead and do that. I'm gonna leave every details on the screen or perhaps on the description box. Please go ahead and do so. Sobrang sulit, sobrang saya. And I remember the time, just a quick background guys, I remember the time na wala pa yung company nila, si Kuya Michael at saka si Ate Ann, grabe, ang sipag-sipag nilang mag-tour sa amin. Like, sila, ikot-ikot sila sa buong Cebu and then they're gonna tell us the history of that street, the history of this building, the history of everything. Sobrang alam nila. So, that's something na parang nakakapagbigay ng impact when you're on a tour, diba? So, ang dami namin napuntahan ni Ryan. Kahit sobrang short lang yung time namin dito. And then si Kuya, si Kuya at saka si Ate, talagang sinasabi nila, like, kahit nagda-drive lang, like, we're just passing through those streets or those cities, sasabihin niya, Rochelle, ito yung ganito, yung ganyan. Dito, ito yung dating jeep ni Papa, ganyan. That's something that you guys always want to have. Kasi may mga different, what do you call that? May mga different stories ang bawat city. So, I mean, something that you guys want to look forward to if you're going to a tour. So, I'll definitely leave everything on the description box. So, yeah. Anyways, that's my just a quick conversation with you guys para lang masabi ko yung nararamdaman ko this morning. Ayan. Alam ko si Ryan magaganito din, but I don't know when. Ayan. Anyways, that's it. See you guys! Okay guys, so ito yung room namin for the past few days or since the 25th or 23rd pala, sorry. So, pagpasok mo sa room, you guys can see the mirror and the cabinet. I love this mirror. Sobrang nakikita mo yung buong outfit mo. There's like extra pillows on top. And then there's a cabinet for like food. Hindi namin kinuha kasi mahal. Sorry, Quest. And then there's a safety box for your things that you want to put in on safe. And then there's a ref for drinks. Hindi din namin binawasan yan. And then on the other side is a cabinet. So I put my towel, my jacket, and then extra slippers, and then our shoes. Then on the right side, this is the bathroom. No, left side, sorry. So this is another mirror. Yan. And then this is the shower. Yan. And then this is the toilet. And then what I like about Quest is meron silang ganito. Tama nga naman. Ayan. So we are cutting down on single-use plastic in an effort to reduce our eco footprint. If you need a refill of toiletries, let us know. Blah blah blah. Ayan. So you guys need to reuse stuff to save Mother Earth. Of course, this is a non-smoking hotel. Mirror again. And then may ano dyan, upuan, pero that's where I put my luggage. And then this is the bed that we slept on as mag-asawa. And then there are 2 bedside tables and lamps. Ganda, ito, gusto ko din to. Kasi the switcher at the bottom. So one is for like your own light and one is for the lamp. Gonna turn that off. Telephone, AC remote, my bag, and the bed, and then the TV. Yan. That's the dresser. Coffee tray, water, and then ito pa. So, normally kasi in a hotel, you get like plastic bottles, diba? But here in Quest, sobrang astig because they have their bottle na you can just refill. Sa labas ng corridor, merong parang water refills, water dispenser, yan. So, this is the TV, my bag, our headphones, another mirror, hello, and another lamp, and then this is the window. Dito naman yan, linagay yung mga damit niya. Yan, yung luggage niya. And that's the lamp. And this is our view. That is Cebu, guys. Sorry, madumi yung salam. And this is Cebu, guys. Oh my gosh. Last time that I've been here, guys, parang 2020 before the pandemic. And that is our room. Yan. Yep. This is where we spent our sleeping. And this is where we slept for the past 3 days. Ayan. Yeah.
Yo, last day in Cebu. pala, pupunta na kami ng palengke. Bibili ng mga daing at manggurin. So maaga kami kasi para maaga din kami makauwi. Hindi na nakapag-video. Nalimutan na. Shit. So, ayan. Alright. So, morning.
After breakfast, ganun talaga. Tulog na yan.
B.
Ang ganda kasi ng kanta eh. May background music dito sa lobby.
Lola! Hi! Tulog na ulit.
May background music kaya matutulog ka habang nakaupo sa lobby mo. Tapos busog ka pa. Ayun. Why not?
I know. Kasi sa bahay, pag nakapilip 4 hours sa gabi lang, nandun ko na. Wala yung naging sabihin.
This is LV.
Hi!
Friend ng family. Diba? That's my auntie, Tita Nina. Nag-vlog ako, nag-vlog. Lola is speaking with someone. So, kamusta ang tiyan mo, dear?
Roon ako talaga.
Ayan.
Oh, Idiki, thank you for the ice cream. So good. Wow, delicious strawberry. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good.
Alayas na naman kami. Pupunta kami sa seaside.
Seaside.
SM.
Anong gagawin nito?
Pasyal.
Pasyal. Nakatulog kasi ako. Nabusog ako kanina sa kinain namin sa breakfast buffet.
Buffet. Buffet.
Nabusog. Nabusog kakakain ako nung
Kasi kita yung picturean mo lang.
po.
Camera ba? Tayo na natin.
Okay, we're here at Cebu Seaside. SM Cebu. And we're here at Island Souvenir. Ay, may guest tayo, yun o.
May guest tayo, special guest.
Albi, the lady Cebuana. Saan? Ay, saan ka tatamaan? Anong tawag dito, Albi?
Sa Skyport.
Sky Park. Okay. We're here at Sky Park
side.
by SMC side. Then. So, ayun. Libot-libot lang. This is the last day of staying here at Cebu. Yeah. Ay. Ayun. Hello, tita. Okay, ano masasabi mo sa Cebu?
Di, pangilang beses ko
Ah,
punta
ako ba?
dito. Ikaw ang first time. Ano masasabi mo sa Cebu?
Napakaganda.
Wow.
Parang napakaganda, parang gusto kong
Gusto daw niya mag-extend. No, uwi na tayo.
Extend hanggang December 9.
ano daw?
Extend daw hanggang December 9.
Taliksik!
Ako po.
Bonding. Meron pa doon.
Ayun. Pwede mag-bike sa loob ng SM. Okay. So, tamang walking lang. Susulit yung araw. Kasi mamaya pupunta na naman kami sa... Saan tayo pupunta mamaya?
Para ano ito?
New Star. Favorite. Nako ate, mukhang mamimiss ko eh. Parang kagabi nga lang, hinanap ko na yung lechon eh. Nabusog ako sa lechon, ang sarap. Big.
Dali na, tara. May beef.
Now time again. Dinner time. Ano din masarap. Pero mamaya, yung lechon baka. Tadali.
Sige na, kumuha ka na.
Happy birthday! We're going home. We're going to hotel. Pauwi na kami at magpapahinga na.
Papahinga na, maaga pa bukas.
Pauwi na kami ng...
Galing natin, Pino, nanalo tayo. Nanalo kami sa, ano po yun?
Charlotte, let's go! Okay. Marami tayong powers.
Meron tayong 4,700